Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which buffet food warmer to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description below. Since buffets are a whole day ordeal, the food must be kept warm for the enjoyment of the guest. Thankfully, buffet food warmers can maintain the food's hot state, allowing guests to enjoy their meal as if it was freshly cooked. Whether you're looking for something that can handle small-sized families or large events, the team has it all sorted out. Today, we will be presenting to you the top 5 buffet food warmers available. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The buffet food warmers that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we've been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more information list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The buffet food warmer coming in at number 5 on our list is the Salton Cordless warming tray. Boasting a large size, this cordless warming tray features a 4-plate capacity surface. Upon testing, our team simply plugged it in and it warmed up the tray in 8 minutes. Afterwards, we unplugged the unit, allowing us to enjoy warm food for 60 minutes. While the warming tray remains unplugged, you can opt to detach the cord to tidy up the space. The warming tray has stay-cool handles, allowing you to move it around from table to table with ease. Our team likes to make mention of its 2 indicator lights, the red power light and green ready light, that notifies you regarding its warming stages. The Salton is built with a stainless steel surface that our team found easy to clean. In terms of safety, it has an automatic temperature control that prevents overheating. For proper maintenance, our team recommends wiping the tray surface with a damp cloth and drying it thoroughly. When it comes to size, this cordless warming tray measures 26 by 12 by 2.5 inches and weighs 8.5 pounds, making it the largest on today's list. At the time of making this video, this tray is backed by a 2-year limited warranty, which gives you the ultimate peace of mind after you purchase one from Amazon. What made this tray stand out is its white surface, making it an ideal choice for large family gatherings or get-togethers. We loved its unique cordless feature and its minimalist design, which makes it blend in with any home decor. Despite its large surface, it does come at a reasonable price, which gives you great value for money. All that being said, our team at In the Kitchen has given it a well-deserved spot at number 5. The buffet food warmer coming in at number 4 on our list is the Sterno Buffet Kit. This 24-piece set is complete with everything you need to serve a wide variety of food. It includes 3 wire racks, 3 water pans, 6 food pans, 6 cans of Sterno handy fuel, 3 serving spoons, and 3 serving forks. It's worth noting that all these pieces can be disposed of when done, saving you a reasonable amount of time and effort. For your peace of mind, the included Sterno cooking gas contains methanol and is water-soluble, biodegradable, and non-toxic, making it 100% safe. Using the buffet kit was simple. The team filled the tray with about an inch of water, and then we placed the food pans on top of it and lit the Sterno fuel container. Our team recommends serving the food when it reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit for the best results. In terms of size, this food warmer has dimensions of 23.5 by 13.5 by 10 inches. What made this stand out is that it's the only disposable food warmer on today's list, making it great for large birthday or children's parties, backyard parties, family reunions, and more. Since the kit is disposable, cleanup is hassle-free, making it especially useful if you're pinched for time. Despite it being a one-time use product, it's durable, which makes your purchase worthwhile. Considering all these factors, our team at In the Kitchen has decided to place this at the number 4 spot on today's list. The buffet food warmer coming in at number 3 on our list is the homeart myhotmat Connect warming tray. This warming tray can keep 2 dishes warm at a time, but up to 5 of these units may be linked using a single outlet to keep up to 10 dishes warm at the same time. The team likes to highlight the warming tray's fuse safety feature, ensures that the unit doesn't overheat. In addition, its adjustable temperature switch keeps the food at just the right temperature. It's worth noting that the homeart warming trays are compatible with any heat-safe cookware and bakeware such as aluminum or glass baking pans, casserole dishes, pots, pans, and more. The tray is equipped with cool-touch aluminum handles so that you can move it from one place to another with the utmost ease. Contrary to most warming trays that are big and bulky, the homeart features a foldable design, making it easy to store. It comes in green and red colors, so be sure to get one that matches your preference. In terms of size, it has dimensions of 9 by 9 by 6 inches and weighs 4.44 pounds, making it the lightest and most compact on today's list. Due to the homeart myhotmat Connect warming tray's compact and portable features, our team highly recommends this for individuals who prefer to take their cooking tools along with them during road trips or camping. Despite its relatively small size, it's highly versatile and has all the essential features needed in a warming tray. For these reasons, The team at In the Kitchen has placed it at the third spot on today's list. The buffet food warmer coming in at number 2 on our list is the Betty Crocker stainless steel buffet server. This buffet server and warming tray can keep food and liquids warm for up to 3 hours. As a buffet server, you can choose between two 2.5 quart vessels or a single 5-quart vessel. It has a see-through lid that keeps the food free from any unwanted substance and keeps the warm temperature balanced. It also has an integrated spoon notch so that the serving spoons being used can rest in their place. The tray is made of high-quality stainless steel that's lightweight and extremely durable. It's worth noting the unit's adjustable temperature control that keeps the food warm to your desired heat preference. The server is equipped with cool touch handles that allow you to move it around with ease. Our team likes to make mention that you can remove the buffet server vessels so that you can have a spacious stainless steel warming tray to keep prepared foods on dishes warm. In terms of size, the unit has dimensions of 11 by 6.29 by 8.64 inches and weighs 10.95 pounds. Overall, the Betty Crocker stainless steel buffet server stands out on this list because it has the best of both worlds, doubling as a warming tray and a buffet server. Despite the simple construction, it's highly functional and accurately preserves the food's heat at your desired temperature. Our team highly recommends this if you like having a mini buffet in your own home. For all these, our team at In the Kitchen has decided to place this at the number 2 spot on today's list. And finally, we come to the number 1 buffet food warmer on our list, the Chefman electric warming tray. This family-sized warming tray boasts a minimalist yet elegant design and can fit various dishes at once. The Chefman features a sleek, space-saving design with black and black tempered glass top and stainless steel accents that would look great on any table, countertop, or buffet. Its adjustable temperature control allows you to quickly heat up your food and keep it warm throughout the day. It also has a few safety features that keeps the electric tray from overheating to give you peace of mind while the unit is operating. However, our team advises against leaving it on for more than 72 hours. We like to highlight that this tray is compatible with all heat-safe cookware and bakeware such as aluminum or glass baking pans, casserole, dishes, pots, pans, and much more. For added safety, it features cool-touch aluminum handles for convenient transport. Our team likes to note that this unit is Electrical Testing Laboratories approved with advanced safety technology for maximum longevity and durability. In terms of size, this unit measures 21 by 16 by 2.5 inches and weighs 7.7 pounds. At the time of making this video, the product is backed with a 1-year assurance provided by Chefman, giving you the ultimate peace of mind if you decide to order one from Amazon. The Chefman electric warming tray's greatest selling point is its overall quality being made with high-grade, premium materials. While coming at the very reasonable price, it has numerous functions and safety features that make this product a worthwhile buy. Our team finds that there is just no way you can go wrong when purchasing this warming tray, which is why we have decided to place this at the number 1 spot on today's list. And there you have it, folks, 5 buffet food warmers which got our team at In the Kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next buffet food warmer roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.